Hi, my name is Ayush. Today I'm going to show some interactive programming. Let's make something interesting. How about a UFO chasing a spaceship? Okay, so for that we first need a background. Let's see if we can find a space thing. Is it up here? Here, okay. Let's run that and see how it looks. Okay. So now we just need the UFO and the spaceship. First let's find the UFO. Here, we got a UFO and a spaceship. Wait, should we do a spaceship or a rocket? Let's stick with spaceship. Okay, let's run that. There. But now we just need to move. We gotta get them somewhere else. So let's move the rocket right here. So first let's do that. And let's see. Glide to. So if we want it right here, we should move it to like 200. And then we should change this to like 50. Let's see. Okay, that's too much. So we need to bring this back to like 150. Okay. And now we just need to move this UFO to around here. So let's get another, hold on. Let's get another glide tube. And if we want it to glide to around here, we should make it like -150 and -50. Okay, so if we want, so we have that. So now if we want spaceship chasing, no, if we want the UFO chasing the spaceship, we need, let's try to make it so we can use our arrows. So for that we need to get yeah. Okay, so if we want to move it left, we use this. Now we need the right key, the up key, and the down key. Let's see if that works. Okay, so that works. But we could spend our time doing that same thing for the UFO, or instead we can just copy and paste all of it. Let's see. So we have that. Okay, so now we have everything we wanted. So mission accomplished.